So this is Lenz's O-Gauge brand new Br216 in ocean blue and beige livery. Got the LED directional lights there. Lots of individual fittings, including all the lifting eyes on the roof there. Got cap light. Got the driver figure that pops up, so he changes with direction of travel. So I go to this end and move it. Up comes the driver. The model has Lenz's new motor control technology using angular sensors on the motor. That gets rid of the need to use back EMF, which means that the motor control is much quieter. You don't get that descending squeal or whine. You've got the full digital sound, new speakers as well, so much deeper sound. Turn the sound off. And there's various other operating sounds as well. So just as a quick note, when the model is packed there are these packing pieces, the two T-shaped pieces and two flat bars that hold the bogies in place, stop them rattling and shipping. So the T pieces come out first, and then if you push back and slide out the side, the bar here, it comes out better on this side, because on this side there is a step. So yes, if you sort of push it in and then pull it out the slot here,